Zdravo i dobrodošli u Serbian Gaming. Stigao sam onda gdje smo prošli put bili. Sad treba da ubijem... Prešao sam to jest put. Treba da ubijem ledeni duh, ne znam ja kako se zove. Icefrecht. A evo ga. Umri. Još ga. Umri. Gde? Još sam izgleda već umri upšeniti nešto. Gdje je nestao? Umri. Da popijem neki napitak. A da ovo nisam popio. Da li je mrtav? Mrtav. Konačno. Samo da vidim šta je ovo gore ovdje. Šta je ovo? The Serpent Stone. Aktivirat ću ga. Once a day, those under the sign of serpent can use ranged paralyzing poison on opponents. You may only have one sign blessing at a time. Ha. Sad trebamo se vratimo. Ići ću onako brzo. Na putu sam naišao na nekoliko, na dva bandita to jest. I nekoliko onih, kako se zovu, horkers, ja mislim da se zovu. Krećemo. Sad ćemo ući u Stormcloaksi.
Tell me again why we're wasting time and dwindling resources chasing a legend. We don't even know it exists.
The Jarls are upset. They don't all support you.
Damn the Jarls.
They demand the moot.
And damn the moot! We should risk letting those milk drinkers put Torik's woman on the throne? She'll hand Skyrim over to the elves on a silver plate.
All the more reason, then. The crown would legitimize your claim.
A crown doesn't make a king.
You're alive. I owe Ulfric a drink. I have to admit, I didn't think we'd be seeing you again. I misjudged you. You're definitely Stormcloak material. It's time we made this official. You ready to take the oath?
Yes.
You can stick a sword through an Imperial any day you want, but that doesn't make you a Stormcloak. We're not just fighting Imperials. We're fighting to restore Skyrim to her glory and give her the king she deserves. That's the spirit. By swearing this oath, you become one of us, a hero of the people, a true son of Skyrim, a Stormcloak. Repeat after me. I do swear my blood and honor to the service of Ulfric Stormcloak, Jarl of Windhelm and true High King of Skyrim. As Talos is my witness, may this oath bind me to death and beyond. Even to my lord, as to my fellow brothers and sisters in arms. All hail the Stormcloaks, the true sons and daughters of Skyrim. Now you're one of us, which means you get to tag along on a little trip with me.
Yay!
And here, you're a Stormcloak now. You ought to look the part. No.
Se obučem sad. Apirial. To su od banditi. 4 gauntlets. Hide boots. Und Stormcloak cuirasses.
But this one,
If it even exists.
it exists. And it will be the symbol of the righteousness of our cause. Think about it. The jagged crown.
To je taj. Sad
It heralds back to a time before Jarls and Moods. Back to the time when the king was a king because his enemies fell before him. And
Damn
his people
faithless
rose
Imperials.
because they loved him. Skyrim needs that king. You will be that king.
samo da vidim na mapu. Ne, kako se ovo... L. Dobro.
Rick, you must be.
Yes,
Šta mi je sad? Dark to Kalmar.
I have found... We're headed... Your fellow Stormcloaks
Blah, blah,
are
blah, blah,
already
blah.
assembling outside the tomb. I'll meet you there as soon as I'm finished up here.
I
When
kreću.
have I ever been false with you?
fine. I'll send the unblooded here with you.
A, vidimo onaj onda.
Fancy a crawl through a moldering dungeon to see if you can't stir up Garmar's
The
den.
Stormcloaks are finding victory across the land.
Be there. You'll see.
Neću.
I'm not much of a strategist, but Lord Ulfric listens to my counsel all the same.
Okej.
Travel safe, careful now. It's dangerous out there.
Welcome to the fight, brother.
Nema šanse. Idemo dalje.
What the?
You should unload some of that unwanted gear. Head over to Sadri's used wares. Talk to the elf.
MPL. Kako je rekao da se zove? Nije ovdje.
It's so good to see you again. Spare a coin. Up to no good, are we? I'll teach you, but it'll cost you.
Ma ne.
Spare a coin.
I was one of the best soldiers in the Stormcloak army, until I took a sword to the chest. I'd be out there fighting the Imperials right now if it wasn't for my war wound. Oh, thank you. Divines bless your kind heart. See ya.
The gift of charity. Šta je ovo?
Farm work is hard work. It's good to relax when I can, but I still have to listen to my brothers harping about injustices.
Cramped alleys, run-down buildings, few guard patrols. Even the name Grey... I thought the Grey Quarter would be a haven for my kind.
Windhelm is divided into 4 quarters. The Grey Quarter is the one that's home to all the city's dark elves. If it looks to you like an impoverished slum, that's because it is. Ulfric prefers that we live in squalor. He has nothing but disdain for anyone who isn't a Nord. He tolerates us, but that's the extent of his hospitality. Not a day goes by that I don't think about... Still, it's probably more trouble to pack up and leave than it is to stay. Besides...
To je prodavnica, da prodadem. Šta imam?
Take a good look around. I'm sure you'll find what you're looking for. If not, let me know. I might have it stored away.
Haha! Tomato!
Look around. I buy and sell just about anything.
Aha!
I'm always happy to see a customer.
Da.
But I won't deal in stolen goods. That's trouble I don't need. All my goods are legitimate, which is more than I can say for some. Of course nothing in here is stolen. Only a careless, shameful, idiotic fetcher would do something as stupid as to buy pilfered goods. Oh, by Azura, I've made a terrible mistake. I bought a gold ring, and Viola Giordano has been missing a ring that looks just like it. It's not that easy. She'd go to the Jarl if she knew I was even remotely involved. You have to get it to her some other way. Look, it's dangerous. But if you sneak the ring into her house, put it in a dresser or something, I will make it worth your while.
Ne bi.
I've scraped this collection together. I do some business with a few intrepid souls even brought some items back from Morvenskar, the fort southwest of the... I do some business...
Da.
A few intrepid souls even brought some items back from Morvenskar. Trinkets, odds and ends,
Hoću da prodam,
that sort of
tako,
thing.
da prodam stvari.
Don't let Viola
Da vidim
catch you
koliko
in...
para imam. 785. Da li da probam to da uradim, ne znam. Da li imam taj prst? Ja uopšte. Gold ring. Jest. Ali gde je njena kuća? Kako mi... Dragonstone, plant, viola, gold ring and viola, Glorano house. Mislim da je ovdje negdje njena kuća. Nije ovdje nego ovamo. Groblje. Nije ovo. Pa gdje je? Ovamo negdje.
The townsfolk call me captain because I used to be a sailor.
Pravo ste. Ma dej, bro!
My twin sister a while back. Have you ever lost anyone close?
O, ko će se... Plašim se da me neko ne vidi. Ako me vidi, bit ću u zatvor, ništa. Nemam. Nemam više lockpicks. Gdje izgled? Ne vezi. Gdje da ga nađem? Ovdje? Sad ću da završim ovdje video.
My father says we need to just get on with our lives. It's that easy.
Dok ne stignem do tamo. Lajkujte ako vam se svideo snimak. Subskrajubjte ako želite još. Hvala na gledanju i ćao!